Welcome to Greenfinch. Greenfinch aims to be the GUI to interface with the Neo blockchain and the Neo decentralized file system, NeoFS. Before starting, you will need to create or load an existing wallet. You can either create a new one here by following the instructions here. You can load an existing wallet here by typing in the wallet's password and choosing where the file is locally, or you can use a recent wallet from here. I'm going to use a recent wallet. Type in my password, confirm, and let the wallet load. You can see it's become active. You can see your wallet address up here, and you can see your current NeoFS balance up here. You will need a NeoFS gas balance to be able to pay for things on the Neo decentralized file system. To top it up, you can click on your wallet here. You can see your wallet address, your public key, which you will need later for sharing containers. We'll talk about that in a bit. And you can see your balances. If you need to top up more NeoFS gas balance from this balance here to here, you can put any number in here, click top up, and it will move gas from here to here. When you do so, you'll get a transaction ID, which you can go and watch and find on any explorer such as Dora. Now let's go and view our containers. Containers are the basic building block of NeoFS. You can click on this, or you can even click here to get access to them. Here are some containers I've already created, but let's create a new one. Containers define where in the world your data should be stored, how redundant it is, i.e. how many backups there are for your data, and who can access it. At this point, you can choose one of the three predetermined permission levels: public read-only, where anyone can view the data; public read-write, where anyone can read the data but also write to the container; or a private container, which is only for you. I'm going to create a public read-only container. This can take a moment to propagate across the network, so in the meantime, I'm going to go on and show you a couple of the other features. In Greenfinch, you can add contacts. Contacts allow you to share data with other users on the network. I'm going to add my friend Robin. I'll need his wallet address. Ah, look, our container has been created. There's Robin's wallet address, and here is his public key. Once you've added him, you can either delete this contact or even send them gas in case they don't have any, because they will also need to be able to pay for storage on the NeoFS too. Let's go back and see the container we created. Here it is, Polaris demo. Currently, there's nothing inside this container, so let's upload some data. I have an image here, so let's start with that. It's been uploaded. Oh, there we go, and we get a thumbnail to show us what that image is. We can click on it and see more information about it. Every object on the NeoFS ecosystem will be identifiable by its container ID, which you can copy from here, and the object ID, which you can copy from here. Together, these make it uniquely identifiable on the network. As this is a public read-only container, anyone can view this, even through a web browser. So let's view this image on our web browser. There you go. It has its unique URL available for anyone to view on the network. Now let's share this container with our friend Robin. To do so, Robin will need to know the container ID. In the future, we plan to offer a notification system so that people will be notified when containers have been shared with them automatically. Let's share the container. I'm going to share with Robin. Shared. Give it a moment so that that propagates across the network. But in the meantime, let's go back and log in as Robin. Here's Robin's wallet. There we go. Here's Robin's wallet, so I'm going to log in as Robin. Now we can see the wallet address is updated. This wallet has become active, and Robin's NeoFS gas balance. It's orange, suggesting he's getting a bit low and he might need to top up soon. Robin has his own containers. There are his. But when he wants to see containers that were shared with him, he can go to the sharing area. Currently, he has 2 containers shared with him, but we need to add the one that was just shared. Take the container ID we got before, paste it in, click Add, and wait a bit. In the meantime, I'll show you that we have 2 areas coming soon. Here we have an area to manage decentralized websites, a content management system if you like, and a content management system for NFTs. These will be coming in the near future. Okay, let's go back and see that we've now got this Polaris demo container available for us, and we can see inside that there's the image that was uploaded by our original user. We can click on it, and we can download it and call it anything we like. In this case, I'll call it Save Astron 2. Let's save that. Download's complete, and now Robin has access to that file. So the final thing that we want to show you is that Greenfinch offers a local API service so that you can view through a JSON API all of your read-only data that is available. You don't just have to use the GUI. This is all of our read-only data that's available to us, what container it's in, and its IDs, size, and more information. You can specify a filter based on how long ago the data was uploaded here. This is a Unix timestamp in seconds. In the meantime, one last thing I'd like to demonstrate is decentralized websites. I mentioned that we will have an area for CMS and content management coming soon, but we have a demo one to show you now. This is 4 files that make up a very, very basic website, 2 images, a style sheet, and an index file like every website has. Click on the index file, view it in a browser, and there we have a very simple decentralized website being hosted on NeoFS. I hope you enjoy Greenfinch as much as we do.